yesterday, today, and tomorrow. Three different universes. Come close. What if I told you that the only universe you live in is today? You don't have yesterday, it's gone. And you don't have tomorrow, the future. You only have this moment. You only have now. You only have today. Today to become your best. Today to change your life. Today to live to your best life. Everything starts with decision that you make today. There is no future anywhere. The future you are dreaming to have starts now. To have that future, you have to get up to start walking in that future. Today, it sounds simple, but it holds everything. Not yesterday, it's gone. Not tomorrow, it's a mystery. Today is the only battlefield you truly stand on. And what you do with it will echo into everything you become. You woke up today. Do you realize what that means? It means your purpose is not finished. It means grace has met you again. It means the pen is still in your hand to rewrite the story, to reroute the path, to restart with fire. You may be tired. You may feel lost. You may have failed yesterday. Today is undefeated. It has never been lived before, and it's yours. Do not waste it chasing validation. Do not drown in regret. Do not give it away to distraction, comparison, and fear. Today is an opportunity. Today is another day to become the person you have been postponing, to speak the truth you have been silencing, to take the step you have been afraid to take. You don't need perfect condition, perfect time. You don't need every situation to be all right. You don't need that. You don't need to wait until that circumstances clears away. You don't need to wait until the storm is over. You just need to start training and start dancing inside the storm. Dance in the rain. Dance when the situation is on. Start creating something and making your life more better every single day. You don't need perfect condition. You just need a decision. And today is the right time to make that decision to change your own life. You may have been hurt. You may have feel pain. You may be afraid. You may be trembling. You may be thinking you're gonna fail. But you just need to start where you are right now with what you have in your hand. Even if it is broken, even if it is small, start with one brave choice, one courageous act, one moment of discipline. Just get up, start, because today is the seed. Plant it with intention, and you will harvest change tomorrow. You don't have to have it all figured out. You are waiting for when everything is okay. You are waiting for the perfect time. When the right moment comes, I'm going to start. This is the truth. The road leading to success is never a straight line. It's never a perfect road. It's a vigorous road. You are the one to make it perfect. And you don't wait till tomorrow to make it perfect. You better start moving on it. You better start creating the life that you want. Stop waiting. Stop waiting. Get up and start doing the right thing. This is your moment. This is your miracle. Today is the day to start. Don't wait for another day. And it will never come. Another day is not going to come. You have to start it right now. You have to start rising. So rise. Choose. Move. Choose what you like. Decide what your life will be. And start moving. Because today is the only day you got. Today is the beginning of your life. Today is the day to change your life. Begin to change your life and become who you are created to be. The world waits to hear your story. The world waits to see your success. The world wants to see your result. Stop keeping it to another day. Another day that you don't have. You don't have tomorrow, but you have today. Start today. Make your life better. Start pushing forward. Start gaining weight. Start doing what you are putting aside every single day. Start confronting your fear. Start taking that first step. Take it. Take that action. Move with courage. Stop being afraid. Stop doubting yourself. Stop saying, I am not enough. You are more than enough. In you is a great potential that no one else has. What you carry inside you, no one else carries it. So start expressing those potentials inside you. Start moving forward. Someone is waiting to see your discovering. Someone is waiting to hear your encouraging voice. Someone is waiting for you. Someone wants to hear you out. Someone needs that idea you are keeping aside. Someone needs that truth you are keeping aside. So start now to work on your purpose, to work on your dream, and watch your life and watch yourself build the right future you want for yourself. Peace, friends.